My name's Blair Flavel. I'm the general manager here at Degelman Industries. What we do at Degelman Industries is we design and develop products for the farmer, for the agriculture industry.
I'm Sean Frisky, President and CEO of Ground Effects Environmental. Started the company 17 years ago in Regina. We develop technology for the oil and gas sector, so we develop water treatment and drilling mud treatment technologies.
I'm David Froh. I'm the Vice President of Sector Development. We're the Economic Development Authority for the city, responsible with economic development, investment attraction, and the tourism function. Manufacturing in our region employs over 6,500 people in 17 different industries. It accounts for approximately 5% of our labor force, and with sales just under $7 billion annually and a GDP contribution of $1.5 billion, manufacturing is the engine behind the province's growth.
I think in general, manufacturing is good for any economy because it employs a lot of different people. So it's that diversity that really allows you to employ all kinds of different people.
In Saskatchewan, there is no First Nation manufacturer currently, and we would like to be the lead in that industry.
You know, manufacturing has always been very strong in Saskatchewan. I think our holdback has been the lack of employees. If there's a couple thousand First Nations that we can employ locally, you know, provincial-wide, that's a good start.
Manufacturing stands out because it's always responding to a need of somebody else, and so we design and develop a product that satisfies that need, and so it's always responding to filling a need in the general population. So this is an example of the evolution of our product, I guess. This is what we call a Nova. There's a whole bunch of smart things in this apparatus that we've designed about 4 years ago.
This is the newest addition to our tillage family. It's the Prokill 26-foot. We have models 26, 20-foot, 33, and 40-foot. This machine has become very popular in the last 3 years of going into fields, prepping them, getting the sprayer ruts out, and what it does, it'll give you the perfect seed bed.
So this is our latest system that we developed for treating oil-based drilling mud. So one of the problems with drilling mud is all the ultrafines that build up in their drilling mud systems renders the fluid useless, and it's disposed of in a landfill typically. This process recovers the oil, which has huge value, and minimizes the amount of waste going to the landfill. So it's got a huge economic benefit, but also a great environmental benefit as well.
I think the manufacturing sector is competitive because we have a lot of innovation that come out of this province. We develop, we design, and we continuously improve, and we stay competitive not only in Canada but throughout the world.
I think it's important to adopt an innovative culture for, you know, Saskatchewan manufacturing companies, but any company. I think innovation is what sets you apart, gives you a competitive advantage. We wouldn't be exporting outside of Saskatchewan, outside of Canada, if that weren't true, if we didn't have something that differentiated us from everyone else.
We lead the industry in many inventive ways, and the large companies in the world that are our competitors are all learning from our developments.
You know, I think sky's the limit. I think there's a lot of different farming equipment manufacturers that are already doing well and exporting globally, and we're just starting down that path, and I think the opportunities are unlimited for somebody that has the appetite to do that.